Hi guys. So last night I tried to go live. Let me tell you, I think that YouTube kicked me off because of my glasses. I was wearing that eyewear. It probably thought I was something suspicious, but let me tell you, when you're using the laser, eyewear is very important. So here's what I did last night. I worked on some business cards because I would like to sell business cards. I think everyone should have a unique business cards. These business cards are made of aluminum. Now I also have a more premium business card that is made of metal. And when I tell you it is weighted, it feels amazing. The cards are amazing. And I make those on a different laser. It's a different type of fiber laser that has 60 watts. But this one I'm using with the X2. Looks great, doesn't it? Oh my God. And see, I am COC licensed to do this Gremlin print. So guess what? I did it. It looks wonderful. So I also worked on my Glowforge last night. I created some keychains, worked on a couple of little things to send with a package that went out today. So yeah, those are the keychains came from the Glowforge. So guys, thanks for joining. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. Bye.